Okay, so this question was asked in my recent interview. Let's see how many of you can get it correct. So this is a C code where we initialize the pointer p inside main function to point to some integer a whose value is 5. And we pass this p pointer to another function where it get reassigned to another integer q whose value is 10. After returning back to main, we try to dereference the pointer p to see what it is storing now. This code is expected to print 10, but strangely this prints 5. So what's happening here? And the reason is very simple. See, when you pass a pointer to a function in C, what it actually does, it creates a local copy of that pointer inside the function. So here in function fun, the p is not the same p as it was in main. It is actually a different variable sitting at a different memory address but holding the same initial value, that is the address of a. Now inside function fun, when we assign address of q to p, it actually gets respected to the local copy of p, and we are only changing the local copy of p. The original copy of p inside main has no idea about it, and it is still pointing to a, which is the value 5. And the moment we return back from function fun to the function main, the entire stack frame of the function fun is gone. So the local copy p along with the integer q is gone. So when we return back to main, we dereference the pointer p, it actually prints the value it was initially holding, that is the value 5. So that's how we get the answer as 5. Follow for more such amazing C concepts.